How's it going, guys? Um, this is just a quick little video, my first actual video. I thought I'd just do a bit of analysis of the markets, crypto markets at the moment. The date is 18th of November 2020. We just saw Bitcoin run up to 18.5k, which was yesterday, after we had this huge run all the way from pretty much 10k. We've just been on a run all the way up, pretty much going parabolic towards all-time highs. As you can see, it's following the Fibonacci retracements here. Pretty much perfectly finds resistance every time. Next one is literally just under 20k. And looks like we have found some kind of support. I'd see us just carrying on in this parabolic pattern until we don't. So until it's broken, it's still pretty bullish, in my opinion. Not in any long-term kind of time frame, but I see us having a little extra run just to blow off the top, maybe. We might just trade sideways. As for alts, here's a little what I'm looking at for BZRX. I mean, it also had a really nice run. It's a really technically traded coin, this. Oh, if you look back in time, I need to get rid of this. MA. Yeah, you see it just follows exactly. We've had this kind of, I'll show it on here. We've had this parabolic kind of pattern playing out ever since we came out of the huge run up we've had back here. Here's a longer term time frame, all the way up to $1.60. So we have this nice rounded bottom. We're just starting to pick up again. And right now we're in a fucking in a rising channel. As you can see, kind of broken away from this bottom kind of parabolic line. So I'd expect us to come back and test it eventually. If you could catch this thing at these price levels at one of these supports, I reckon it would be a good buy. As you can see here, for the total market cap of alts, total 2 on TradingView, it's looking quite bullish. I mean, if we break to the upside of this, it's we've got some upside ahead. This isn't a long-term chart. I'm not sure why it's not showing up. If we go on a daily, there we go. So there's some room for upside. We've got this resistance up here at 264 billion at this level. We can draw that in. And pretty much up here for major resistance around these levels. So as long as we can break clear of this little pattern we've got going on, I'd see alts start to rise up, especially setups like this that are basically just consolidating after the first little push up. I'd expect a coin like BZRX, for example, to do well after we see a little pullback from this pattern. Do see a bit of hidden bullish divergence right here on the RSI on the 4-hour time frame. Sorry, that's bearish divergence, hidden bearish divergence. So I would expect a pullback out of this pattern right back down. 16 cents, this would be a great buy. If that does end up coming back down. So just keep your eyes on this one. This is like a classic accumulation zone down here. For the next run up, for the next alt season. I think we're about to start it anytime soon. But all eyes on Bitcoin at the moment. I mean, these altcoin setups literally get thrown out the window if something happens on this chart. So just gotta be careful. But yeah, for now, we'll see if we can get that bullish continuation. to the upside for Bitcoin. Maybe hitting 20k or a bit over and coming back down for those 30% dips that we always get in a bull run. Just like in the last one, on our way up to 20k, we did see multiple dips as we were rising up. You see these. Some of them, well, they go up to 30%, not always big. This one, there you go, 34% there. This one, 35%, 39%. So, you know, we do have to watch out for these kind of pullbacks because they do come in a bull run, and we are pretty much starting a new one over here. So expect them to start showing up as we make our higher highs in this bull run. Once we hit 30k, 50k, well, this could go even higher, to be honest, up to 100k. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Just kind of a little experiment. If some people like this, then I'll definitely be posting more. Just tell me what you want, more in depth, what time frames you're more into, I guess. Just Bitcoin, do you want alt setups? There's quite a few that pop up. And you know, when you're in a like, these just play out real nice. If you could buy the breakout of this, you know, even came back and retested this level. Easy gains with a lot of these setups if you catch them right. Like I think BZRX will be if it comes back down to that specific level, 16 cents, if it can. I see it just going sideways and going again up. Could go either way. We'll have to see. Oops. There we go. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.